Look who arrived. Yeah, it is. I already took this off while no one was here. Look who it is. It's Nimah. Oh my god. I actually had to chase down the DHL man down my street. So I'm really out of breath. Cause I don't really, I don't run, like, you know? Oh, fuck. Fuck. So, this is... I'll leave it in my live streams. You can watch it later. Okay, so the head is Nimah. It's sculpted. She is sculpted by Sarah. And then after I paid off Nimah, about like a month afterwards, I messaged her and I said, hey, can I order a Miro doll body in like the same color? And she said sure, and then I paid that off. Ah, fuck. Well, I guess I gotta hurry this up. I'm gonna do it. It smells like resin. I'm just gonna shake her out. Shake the whole... My ring is crooked. There we go. Oh, she's a big girl. Look at... Oh, look, there's some... Can you see the sanding marks? There's like a little bit of sanding marks right on the... all the... just everywhere I look. Oh, Ruby just opened my door. I didn't know she could do that. Hi, Ruby! What are you doing? Oh, she's not coming over here. I know, right? Look at how pretty the color is. Oh, I think I got the small bust, but they gave me a big bust. I'm fine. Whatever. Whoop. Whoop. Hey, Ruby, what are you doing? She got into my pastels yesterday, so she's just covered in them. We gotta bath her. I know, look at those. Freaking huge tits. And then there's her little face. She's trying to eat it. Ruby! Ruby, what are you doing? Aww. Okay. Oh, and Ruby's playing with the books. Look at her. Aw, Ruby. What are you doing, you little colorful monster? Okay, I'm gonna end this.